Hi, welcome back to PageFly video tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to use the AfterShip Order Tracking element. AfterShip Shopify allows you to follow your client's order status in real time. Firstly, we need to install the AfterShip Order Tracking at Shopify store. When you are done, you can use this element in your PageFly page. Now, let me guide you through how to access the AfterShip Order Tracking element. In the PageFly editor, you can select Add Third-Party Element from the left menu. Select Manage Integrations or the symbol at the top. Now you can search the AfterShip Order Tracking and active it. Click Done, and here you are. The element will appear in the Add Third-Party Element menu. Now it's time to configure AfterShip Order Tracking element. To begin setting up element, choose Add Third-Party Element on the left menu bar to look for AfterShip Order Tracking element. I will click on the element to view its variation and drag and drop the variation into the editor. We can also use Shopify app block element to add the element in Shopify theme editor. Please check the video card to get more detail. In this video, we will concentrate on how to use the add and use the element directly on PageFly editor. Back to PageFly page editor, let's configure this element. After you've added, you may change it by clicking on it. In the General tab, you'll find numerous features for styling your order tracking form without needing any code. There are 3 lookup options: tracking number, order number and email, or you can choose both. Customize the button text you want here. For example, PageFly track. Next, you can acquire your tracking page role from the AfterShip Apps Tracking Pages session. To find the link, access AfterShip dashboard from Shopify admin. Click on Tracking Pages. Here you are. Copy the link and head back to PageFly pages to paste here. Change the button color and text color as you like. Enable this option if you wish to hide the AfterShip icon. Now you can adjust the sizes of the form to be small, medium, or large. All up to you. Beside that, General have visibility, attributes, and animation. In Styling tab allows you to customize the style for it, like the margins, borders, and effect. And now, let's publish the page and check it in live view. If the widget doesn't work on live view, please check this article from AfterShip Guidelines. Fill in all required information. Copy the code in the first box on the right. Back to PageFly editor page. Drag and drop HTML2 and Liquid element into it. Paste the copy code here. Save it. And now, republish and check it again. Click Save. And when Save is done, you will see a Publish button. Click on it. Here you are. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos. Thank you for watching.